glam makeup video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I got this Sangeet look right here. The wedding season is going on right now, and trust me, I have attended so many weddings since the past 2 months and a lot of Sangeet. So this is one of the looks that I was wearing, and I absolutely love how the entire look is looking. It's smoky, it is glam, and it's super duper glowy as well, as you can see. So if y'all want to know how I got this beautiful Sangeet look right here, please keep watching. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So firstly, I've already washed my face, I have cleansed it, and I have toned it, and these 3 steps are really important to protect your skin and to get back the radiance. Now next, I am actually going to use a serum. You guys know that I always recommend using a serum. Serum is something that I never ever skip. I feel like a serum has very rich ingredients, nourishing ingredients that help in healing the skin very deeply, and it does a job a little bit quicker. So today I am going to be using the Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Hydrating Serum. If you guys have been following me on my Instagram, I have spoken about this product. I absolutely love using this product. It's very lightweight, gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. Also, this does have niacinamide, which is very great to reduce dark spots and reduce pigmentation, which I am suffering with currently. As you can see, I have uneven skin tone right here, I have dark spots, so it's helping me heal those right now. And anytime these products have these claims, it does take a lot of time to heal, so be patient when you are trying a product. You need to test it for a couple of months for it to show results. Okay, and then I'm just going to So as you can see, it has already smoothed my skin, and it's giving me that natural shine and that glow from within that I absolutely love. But it is not sticky whatsoever. It's completely absorbed into the skin, so it's a very good product to use on an everyday basis. So for moisturizer, I am going to use the Olay's Regenerist Whip UV, which has SPF 30. Now this particular product also does have niacinamide, it has hyaluronic acid, and it also does have vitamin B3. Now all these ingredients are very good for hydrated, plump looking skin, so I just like to dot this all over my face like that. So this particular product does firm my skin and also makes it plump and bouncy, and it's very lightweight. It's not at all heavy feeling and gets completely absorbed into the skin very quickly. It's actually an amazing product, and just look at that, my skin is already looking pretty hydrated and very healthy. It's pretty firm as well, and it's giving me that glow from within, which I absolutely love before I go in with makeup. And also this particular product does have SPF 30, so it's going to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. And also this product can be used as a primer. It's already smoothed my skin, so now I can go ahead and apply my makeup stress-free. It's going to apply beautifully. Okay, so when you combine the Olay's Power Duo, which has the Olay's Luminous Serum and Olay Regenerist Whip, it gives you visible changes in the skin. It's very effective, and I've been using this in the winters, and I'm using it right now as well. So if you guys would like to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So if you do give it a try, let me know how you like it. Now let's move on to makeup. Okay, let's start with foundation. Now since we are doing a Sangeet look, I want my foundation, like my base makeup, to be a little bit more on the full coverage side, and I want it to last the entire night or the entire day. So for that, I am using the L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Finish foundation, and I am in the shade Fresh Beige. Now I know for a fact that this foundation is very long wearing and very smooth looking, and this particular foundation applies best with a brush. So I'm gonna first apply it with a brush, and then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more with my beauty blender to give it a very hydrated and a smooth finish. This particular foundation is a full coverage foundation, so a little bit goes a long way. And along with that, I am going to be using the L'Oreal's Infallible Full Wear Concealer Corrector in the shade Amber. Now this is a very full coverage concealer, so I'm going to use a very little amount of it to cover my dark circles and a little bit around my mouth wherever I have a little bit of discoloration. Also using this concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyes for eyeshadow, and as you can see, it's a very full coverage concealer, so a little bit goes a long way. And as you can see, my base is like a full coverage base, but it's a very thin layer. It's not at all caked up on the skin. It's very hydrated looking, very luminous looking, but at the same time this is going to last on my skin a very long time. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set all of this liquid base that we have applied really quickly so that nothing creases or moves throughout the day. So to set, I am actually going to take a loose powder on a puff like that and press this into the skin. That way the makeup is not going to move at all during the day. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the Lakme Absolute's 3D Brow Definer. Now, this is one of my absolute favorite eyebrow pencils to fill in my eyebrows with because it gives me that everyday natural but yet filled in brows. So it does come with a spoolie and it does come with a sharpenable side pencil, but the formula on this is absolutely beautiful. Love this product, highly recommended it. If you are looking for a good eyebrow pencil, this is something that you should definitely look at. So now let's move on to the eye makeup. Now the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today is the Lakme Absolute's Spotlight eyeshadow palette in the shade Smokin Glam. So I'm going to do something smoky and champagne-y today. It's been a while since I did something like that, and the browns in this are the actual shades that I'm going to use from this particular palette. I'm going to start off with this beautiful light brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply this in my transition area using a fluffy brush. And I'm also going to connect my lower lash line with this particular transition shade. Next, I'm going to deepen the outer corners a little bit. For that, I am using this particular shade right here. And I'm going to apply this right at my outer corners. And I'm not going to go above my crease. And I'm going to apply it just at the outer half. Then taking the same dark brown shade, I'm just going to smudge this in my lower lash line because I want my lower lash line to be a little bit smoked out. And I'm going to smoke it out all the way till the inside. Next, we are going to apply the champagne shade on our eyelids. For that, I'm actually going to use the highlighter that I'm going to use today. So the highlighter that I'm going to use today is the Pixi by Petra's Delicate Dew highlighter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this particular shade right here on the center of my eyelids, and right in the inner corners I'm going to apply this particular shade. And I'm going to use my fingers itself for that. Right in the center like that. And I'm just going to blend out the edges. And the last and final step in the eye makeup is some eyeliner. For that, I am using the L'Oreal's Gel Intenza eyeliner in the shade Profound Black. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to smoke out my upper and my lower waterline to make this look even more smokier. Difficult part about this makeup look is done, that is eye makeup, and as you can see it has turned out beautiful, smoky and very like Sangeet like. So I'm gonna complete this eye makeup with some mascara. For that I am using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. Now let's move on to contouring and applying blush, highlighter and all of that good stuff. So for contouring, I am using this L'Oreal's Glam Bronze. This is one of my absolute favorite products to contour and bronze with. I'm just gonna apply this right in the hollows of my cheeks, just a little bit. I'm not gonna go very heavy on the bronzing and contouring. I just want to give thoda sa shape to my face. Thoda sa on my forehead to give it some color. Jawline. Thoda sa nose contouring. So for blush, after such a long time, I am going to use this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Ka Le Bar, a blush in the shade City Explorer. This is one of my absolute favorite shades to use. It does have a little bit of sheen to it, which looks absolutely beautiful. So I am going to apply this really high on my cheeks right here so that my face looks lifted. The formula also on this blush is actually very, very beautiful. And a little bit on my nose, just to tie the look together. And then highlighter, I'm gonna use this shade right here. And look at how intense this highlighter is. It looks beautiful. It looks like wet skin. So look at that. Make sure you're blending the highlighter as well. A little bit on my forehead to give it that shine. Before we move on to lips, I'm just gonna spritz my face with some setting spray so that the makeup is locked in place and everything melts into the skin and looks absolutely flawless. And then for my lips, I am going to use a shade which you guys must be familiar with. This is the L'Oreal Paris. I think this one is the Signature Rouge lipstick in the shade I Explore. So I'm just gonna quickly line my lips with a nude lip liner because I'm going for the nude lip itself, because this look calls for a nude lip. And the formula on these lipsticks are one of the best because it's so thin and very, very comfortable and long lasting too. And we are done with the makeup look. So I'm just gonna change into my outfit and I'll be right back to show you the final result. Is the final result right here. I am loving the way my makeup is looking right now. It's super duper glam, it's super duper glowy, smoky and nude at the same time. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section below how you found this particular look. Was it helpful? Did you all have any difficulties recreating this look? If you all do recreate it, definitely tag me. I would love to see your recreations. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what y'all would like to see next. I'm gonna go now and I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye!